One other magic word for getting attention is Eweliwe. Biko Eweliwe. Biko Eweliwe immediately draws attention to you. Biko Eweliwe is like pardon or excuse me. Biko Eweliwe is perfect. Of Chetu, Chere, and all of that. My favorite for getting attention is Biko Eweliwe. If I want to talk to you, Biko Eweliwe, don't be offended, don't take offense, or please. It is a humble and mild and gentle way, more gentler way of approaching strangers, especially when you are among strangers and you want to get attention. People who are busy, or people who don't know you, or people who you just say Biko Eweliwe, and once you say Biko Eweliwe, you have attention. You then say maybe you ask Kebe toilet, no, where is the toilet? Or Anamacho number 5 West End Street. That is, I am looking for number 5 West End Street. Or Ima Onya na-akpọ Mazi Ezeju. Do you know Mr. Ezeju? Ima Onya na-akpọ is, do you know who is called? But it's a way of saying, do you know Mr. Ezeju? Or you can just say Ima Mazi Ezeju. Do you know Mr. Ezeju? So that's a way you can get attention and then ask question. Biko Eweliwe, ego le ki na-ere here. You get attention. Please excuse me. How much are you selling this? Biko Eweliwe, ego le ki na-ere here. Please excuse me. How much are you selling this? You're in a marketplace and you want to get the attention of the seller and all that. So those are the ways you can get attention in Igbo. So until we meet again, my name is Prince Chibuikem Obiefule, and this is Igbo Medicine.